Before ma-start ang video guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel natin guys para marami tayong video ma-upload. Let's go! B-boy! How are you? BJ!
We're going to the Naked Island! The Going Merry.
Pwede magsuot og life jacket na sir?
The Going Merry.
Okay.
The Going Merry.
Woo! BJ!
Hi.
Wow, Iron!
The Going Merry.
BJ! Talikod Island. Ay, sana si Madali. Alay, pod.
Oh my God. My first time experience this.
What? Entrance fee pala dito guys is 50 pesos per head. Pwede magstay dito overnight kasi may mga kainan, mayroong tulugan at pwede nyo marentahan sa buong araw guys. Nice. Back to the video. Pwede din kayo bumili dito guys ng mga pagkain para sa isda. I think 100 pesos ang per ano nila per bowl.
There's tuna.
Huh?
What's the shark?
How about ma-swim ka with the tuna?
Where's the shark? No, there's a stingray.
Huh?
There's a stingray.
Swim with the tuna. Oh,
Oh my God. What is this?
oh yun yung stingray sa ilalim. Kita nyo?
Sting.
In Ray.
Tusok pang good, matusok.
Ha?
There's so many fish.
Ay, kitanggalan ha?
There's so many small fish. There's so many small fish.
Oh, bigang stingray. How about you're gonna dive inside?
Stinger is getting out.
Oh, yun ang stingray.
Very big.
Huh?
The stinger is very big.
Oh, Saitama. Oh, Saitama. You're gonna eat him by Saitama.
See my shoe. Oh.
Oh! 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 Ito mali ko. Asa mga isda eh? Di makita ang isda. Sobra ka sa isda ni.
Uy, nakitaan ka dali sa video. Boy, say hi to the video. BJ.
Ang gana tungkad guys. Ang gana tungkad.
Ala, gana tungkad. Ala. Ala.
Mabang di. Ayun na ano ang gunit ng
Di na magbalik. Kaya nagbalik ka dito. Na, bakit ka nagbalik?
Ito na yan to. Paano ka 1 second?
1 second.
Watch me. Ayun kung bakit
B-boy! B-boy! Boy, ayaw paglayo, boy! Ayaw paglayo. One pa. Guys, the video blooper. Tawa na.
Rino, mura mag-pagkuman pag-sabi ba?
Uy, nilayo si Kenji.
Here? Salam na kami.
Kinsa na guys, ang naga-swim. Solo ka niya guys, oh. Walay kalaban guys. Siya lang isa naga-swim with the fish. BJ, na-touch ni mga fish? So ayan guys, no, pabalik na kami guys gikan sa Sebadan Fish Cage. So ang balik niyan guys dito sa may bungad ng Enchanted River. Ang boating pala guys is 500 per boat. At pabalik na kami papunta sa may aming sasakyan na nag-aantay sa may Enchanted River parking area.
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they build can stop me now.
So ara guys, laag na mo diri guys sa Sebadan Fish Cage dito sa Surigao del Sur. So daghang salamat sa pagtanaw sa akong video, og don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you on my next video. Peace yo.
Go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. New horizons waiting for us, because we were made to go beyond.